Black Hat is beneficial for people in academia. If you look at the keynotes this morning, that was very practical, very hands-on, and gives you some perspective on other things you might not see in academic conferences. I'm David Oswald. I'm a professor of cybersecurity at Durham University. Before this event, I was at Black Hat twice, but only once in person. It's a good place to meet people who have gone into various directions. So you can meet some academics, independent consultants, and also companies are maybe slightly more motivated to send their staff to Black Hat. The research we submitted is about confidential computing technology. While this confidential computing is beneficial to security, there's no arguing around that, it does not protect you against somebody who has physical access to the server. If there was somebody who wasn't sure whether to attend Black Hat, it's useful for any level of academic. You still get new impressions. So I would say it's useful for anyone in security.